Tip number 8. If you want to get your video done, set a deadline. You're busy, right? Everyone's busy. We all have too much stuff going on in our lives. Thanks to the smartphone and social media, far more distractions than ever. Deadlines are serious motivators. Setting one immediately signals that something is important. And of course, the closer that deadline gets, the more it reminds you of the fact. Now, you may have already set a deadline or had a must-be-ready date thrust under your nose. Either way, you are far more likely to get that video out there and working for you than someone who thinks video is a fine idea, but they never get around to it because something else comes along and diverts their attention. So if you're serious about video, set a date for when you want it to be ready and mark it on your schedule or calendar.